Look at this! Figure 02 just became the first humanoid robot that can actually fold laundry completely on its own. And I don't mean just clumsily stacking clothes. We're talking proper folding, adjusting for creases, even recovering when something goes wrong. This is not another specialized laundry bot. No, it's actually the same general-purpose humanoid that was working in warehouses last month. And that's not all. There's a new robot mall in Beijing selling everything from mechanical butlers to robotic chefs. A bionic antelope that's helping conservationists study endangered species. Even a pair of robots training right now to explore Mars. The pace of advancement is honestly staggering. Let's uncover it all. Figure 02, the humanoid robot that just crossed a major milestone. For the first time, a general-purpose humanoid has successfully folded laundry completely autonomously. And when we say folded, we're not talking about basic crumpling. This robot handles towels with the kind of precision that even humans struggle with sometimes. Figure's CEO shared the clip from his social media, emphasizing that this was the first time a humanoid robot accomplished this task using a neural net. Here's why that's such a big deal. Folding deformable objects like towels is one of the hardest challenges in robotics. Unlike rigid items, fabric changes shape unpredictably. It wrinkles, slips, and bunches up. There's no fixed way to grip it, no single correct approach. Most robots rely on pre-programmed movements, but Figure 02's system, Helix, operates entirely differently. It's an end-to-end neural network, meaning it processes visual input and translates it directly into motor commands without any hard-coded rules. What's fascinating is that Helix wasn't even specifically designed for laundry. This is the same AI model that was recently handling logistics tasks like package reorientation in warehouses. The team didn't modify the architecture. They just trained it on new data, and suddenly it could fold. That's a huge deal because it suggests general-purpose robots might not need entirely new software for every task. The skills on display here are seriously impressive. The robot pinches corners, smooths out wrinkles, traces edges with its fingers, and even recovers when it accidentally picks up extra items. And it does all of this without any explicit object recognition. No labeling parts of the towel or memorizing shapes. It just understands the fabric through trial and error, adjusting in real time like a human would. Then there's the human-like behavior. While folding, Figure 02 maintains eye contact, shifts its gaze naturally, and even uses hand gestures when interacting with the guy. It's not just functional, it's eerily lifelike. This isn't just a random demo either. Adcock previously shared a video of Figure 02 loading a washing machine at his home and now folding laundry. These aren't scripted performances, they're real-world tests. The fact that the same robot can transition from industrial tasks to household chores without hardware changes is a strong hint at where this technology is heading. Now, shift gears to Beijing, where something straight out of a sci-fi movie just became reality. The world's first dedicated robot mall has opened its doors, and it's exactly what it sounds like. A massive showroom where robots aren't just exhibits, they're products you can actually buy. Walking in, you'll find everything from toy robots for a few $100s to advanced humanoids priced in the millions. There are mechanical butlers, robotic chefs, even eerily accurate replicas of historical figures like Albert Einstein. And it's not just about sales. The mall offers full support, including maintenance, spare parts, and repairs, almost like a car dealership for robots. The real kicker? Right next door, there's a fully robotic restaurant where machines handle everything from cooking to serving. It's a glimpse into how China sees the future of automation. The country isn't just experimenting with robotics, it's building an entire ecosystem around them. This isn't happening in a vacuum. China has been pouring billions into robotics and AI, with over $20 billion in subsidies last year alone. There's even talk of a new $140 billion fund specifically for AI and robotics startups. The goal is clear: to dominate the next wave of automation, especially as the country faces labor shortages and an aging population. The timing of the mall's opening is no coincidence. It launched right as Beijing hosted the World Robot Conference, where more than 1,500 cutting-edge robots were on display. And coming up soon is the first ever World Humanoid Robot Games. Think of it like the Olympics for robots, with events ranging from sprinting to soccer. What's striking is how quickly this has moved from concept to reality. A few years ago, most of these robots were research projects. Now they're consumer products. Whether it's a chess-playing bot, a robotic dog, or a humanoid that can assist in homes, the mall proves one thing. The age of personal robots isn't some distant future. It's already here. Up next, on the rocky slopes of Mount Etna in Sicily, two robots are doing something extraordinary. Bert, a wheeled rover, and Spot, a four-legged robotic dog, are rehearsing for future missions to Mars. This volcanic terrain is about as close as you can get to the red planet's harsh environment here on Earth. Rough, uneven, and full of obstacles. What makes this duo special is how they work together. Spot, built by Boston Dynamics and enhanced by Germany's DLR, handles the tricky parts, scrambling over rocks, squeezing into tight spaces, and scouting ahead. Bert, meanwhile, carries the heavy equipment, analyzing samples and storing data. They're not just following pre-programmed paths either. Using AI, they make real-time decisions, searching for signs of life and identifying geological features autonomously. Now here's the really clever part. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station are testing how to remotely guide these robots from orbit. That's exactly how future Mars missions could work, with humans controlling robotic explorers from a spacecraft or base. It combines human intuition with robotic endurance, a partnership that could be key to unlocking Mars' secrets. This isn't only about building better robots. It's figuring out how humans and machines can collaborate across millions of miles where communication delays make direct control impossible. Every test here is a step toward making planetary exploration more than just a one-way trip. Over in China, there's a humanoid robot that redefines what these machines can do. MagicBot, developed by Magic Lab, looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, especially when it's pulling 3 full-grown adults on a cart behind it. That's 551 pounds of weight, and it handles it with surprising ease. MagicBot is designed for real-world work, already deployed in factories across China. It can carry 88 pounds in its arms, navigate complex environments, and perform delicate tasks like folding baby clothes or roasting marshmallows over a fire. With 42 degrees of freedom, it moves with an almost eerie human-like fluidity. MagicBot's ability to learn is what sets it apart. Using AI, it refines its own walking style, adapting to different surfaces and improving over time. It's equipped with LiDAR, depth-sensing cameras, and ultrasonic sensors, giving it 360-degree awareness of its surroundings. And with a 5-hour battery life, it can work nearly non-stop. The most impressive part? This isn't a prototype anymore. MagicBot entered small-scale mass production earlier this year, proving that advanced humanoids are ready to move out of the lab and into the real world. Whether it's factory work, search and rescue, or even something as precise as assembling electronics, MagicBot shows just how versatile these machines are becoming. Last but not least, high in the Tibetan plateau, where oxygen is thin and temperatures plunge, a very unusual antelope moves among the herds. But this one isn't alive. It's a remarkably lifelike robot, designed to blend in and study endangered Tibetan antelopes without disturbing them. This Bionic Antelope, developed by Deep Robotics and Chinese researchers, operates in Hozil National Nature Reserve, one of Earth's most extreme environments at over 15,000 feet elevation. The robot's realistic fur and movements allow it to get closer to wild antelopes than human researchers ever could, capturing natural behaviors that were nearly impossible to observe before. The tech packed inside is also very advanced. Using 5G networks, it transmits real-time video and data back to researchers who analyze migration routes and feeding patterns with AI. The system can even predict when antelopes might cross roads, alerting rangers to prevent collisions, a major threat to the species. Unlike traditional tracking methods that require capturing or tagging animals, this robotic observer works completely unnoticed. It's a game changer for conservation, offering scientists an ethical, non-intrusive way to gather crucial data in one of the planet's most fragile ecosystems. The success here could pave the way for more robotic wildlife observers in remote habitats worldwide. So there you have it, robots folding laundry, exploring Mars, and even blending in with wildlife. It's incredible how much has changed in just the past year. Which of these breakthroughs surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to keep up with where this robot revolution is heading next, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Who knows, by this time next year, we might be doing a follow-up on how one of these bots became your new neighbor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.